back to another Overwatch video with Batman and Overwatch. Today I'm going to be showing you an updated tutorial on how to use your battle tag to get friend requests from your friends and how to see it. So let's get right into it. First of all, this is how you see your battle tag. You hover over your name with your cursor. Then in order to use it, your friend or whoever wants to send you a friend request has to type in your username. Blah, 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 because I don't know your username. 6567, I guess. That's just an example. Or if you know the email address, which you will need the bell tag for, I spelled that wrong. I don't even know if that's a word, but I meant to say email. Okay, so, yep, that's it for this video. Hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!